Hello YouTube, Mr. Bean here, and welcome to another installment in my p90 tutorial. I don't know what part this is, you'll see in the title, but that doesn't matter right now because I'm building this gun. So now you need one of these connectors and two of these large pins. Put one in, oh, you guys probably didn't even see it. You need this, two of these, and a 15 stud long beam. You put one of them in there like that, you put one here just like that, and then you put it on the beam. Now you just take another one of those connectors, put it on this end, and just put in a normal black stud. Now you need to take two of these. These are sort of like last minute just to increase the strength of the barrel, so they're kinda look sketch and like I didn't try very hard with them. But you just put these pieces on here and they actually add a lot of extra support to the barrel because there aren't very many places where it's connected into the actual gun. So yeah, that's basically it. Now we need to take these three pieces here, put the blue pin here, and put this in there. So it's like that. And you put it on here, like this. There's two holes in between these studs. Now you need blue, or just a big pin. These two connectors can go on right here. And one of these little ones can go on right here. So that's pretty easy. Take two more of these pins. Take one of these 3 stud beams. Take another big pin. 5 stud beam. Cap it off there. Take 2 of these connectors. Put a pin through one. Put it through the second hole to the end on that beam. And put on the other one. So now you're done the top of the barrel. That was really easy. Put it off to the side or not. Let's actually just connect these two together. This was from the previous part, by the way. Yeah, so basically we can just connect them together now. And if it doesn't line up, then that's not good, but it all should line up, because if you've been following this closely, they will all fit together. Because I literally just finished this one, the other one, like a few minutes ago. And this piece will not connect to anything yet. It connects to like the top of the barrel, which we might as well connect right now. We did this in the first part. And it just goes on right here, like that. So yeah, this is basically our barrel, or the main part of it. Now we've got one part left, and it has a little bit more, or it has more bricks to it. So, I'm pretty sure all these pictures are at the beginning. Yeah, they are. There we go. Come on, computer. Okay, we need to take this 9 stud long beam and take these, take this 4 stud brick, put 2 pins through it, 2 of these long ones, and then attach it right here. And then just put another one on. And this one is actually a lot more confusing than I thought it would be, just by looking at the pictures, because I took really crappy pictures. Okay, so you need to take 2 pins, put one in the end here, put one right there. And then this, I'm pretty sure is a 10, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it's 9 holes long. We're gonna put it right. Okay, I lied. I was wrong. Hold on. Let's put one more. This sucks. Take those out. There's supposed to be one space right there. There we go. And put this one on like that. So there's a space there. But that space doesn't matter right now. Or ever. Now we've got a 15 stud long beam. We'll put a pin there. And a pin here. Yeah, that's it. Those are the only pins you need for it. And now we're going to take another 4 stud beam, brick, I meant to say brick. Put 2 studs in it, put it in there. Just like that. Now, we just need to put the rest of them on. Now I've got 2 1 stud flat tiles here. These might be a little bit hard to find, but I put them at the end, so they're not, it doesn't really matter if you don't have them, but you need to have the other ones. So let's take one of these connectors. I don't know what they're called, but they're weird. Put 2 pins through it, grab another one, put them right here. Take 2 6 stud long pins. Oh, actually no, don't put them on yet. Take this spacer and this elastic. It's kind of big, but it's really stretchy and it comes back pretty good. So I just got really lucky and I found this elastic in my drawer, and it works perfectly. I mean, like, there's no problems feeding or anything. It just works perfectly, and it's really thin, so it goes through these pieces a lot easier. So you need to put them through here this way, and it helps if you pinch the end and then you just push them through like that, and then like wrap it around this here so that it won't come out, and then like just pinch it right there. Now I'll just show you guys like what I'm doing close up. So I'm like taking it and I'm pinching the end like that, and then you just push it through, and once you see it, grab it, just put it on there like that. Perfect. And now you take your 2 6 stud long beams, put them under the elastics, because you don't want it to like snap it or anything. So you gotta like take it off, hold it, put it on, and then you can just like hook it onto the end here or something. I don't know. Let's do that. It helps keep it on. So yeah, then you just do the same thing with the other one. You just put it on there. Now you can just take 2 more 8 stud long pieces, flat tiles, and they fit on there like that. Then we've got 1 pin that goes right here. So yeah, that's basically the barrel slide or sled. And this piece here, it's pretty simple. I forgot to take it apart, but you should be able to figure it out on your own. It's not too difficult. You got 2 of these pieces, 2 spacers, 3 2 stud pins, 1 of these guys, a pin here, and we got a 5 stud long beam and a 3 stud, or no, yeah, like a 3 stud pin, and you just attach them there like that. And then I think on the gun you can go here like this or something. Maybe it goes the other way. No, it goes like this. I got it. Yep, that's how it goes. So basically you're done the barrel and like all its pieces. So you can take both of these, take the elastic off, put it on these 2 spacers here, and make sure they're actually on there. Like, you gotta stretch them over and stuff. So just like that. And then the trigger and stuff, it should fall in between the groove on the sled. Now we can take our gun, and it should fit on there perfectly. Or maybe not. Here, I'll hold it up so I can show you guys, because there's lots of stuff you need to pay attention to when you're doing this. So if you see that little black pin in there, that's what's stopping the sled from moving forward. So make sure the sled's behind that, and then basically you just have to line up this pin here with the end of the gun, and then basically everything will just fall right into place after that. And then the trigger, you just need to move that up and put that little blue pin inside of it, like that. And now it is on. You know, that should be staying in there. And now we'll get into putting some elastics on. This is the original elastic for my trigger, but I'm glad I took it off when I did so that it didn't fail, because that was really easy to break. So I grabbed a new one, and you're going to put it on this red pin, or this red spacer here, and it's going to go underneath the black pin, around the blue pin, and basically just like keep wrapping it around until you can't anymore. It is kind of difficult to do, but usually I manage to wrap it around here twice. And why is this thing falling apart? There we go. So yeah, I just wrap it around. Just try and shove it all underneath that black pin. That should... yeah, that's what powers your trigger. So, that's the end of this tutorial. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bean out.